Welcome to this video. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of Upkeep. Today, we're going to tackle a critical topic for maintenance and operations teams, implementing a computerized maintenance management system, or CMMS. We'll explore how to get not just the managers, but also your technicians, those who'll interact with the system the most, fully on board. We'll delve into the importance of user-friendly interfaces, data tracking, communication, continuous training, mobile accessibility, recognizing efforts, creating a preventive maintenance plan, and fostering a positive reception. Stick around to understand how each of these factors can play a significant role in your CMMS implementation success. When it comes to implementing a computerized maintenance management system, it's not just about getting the managers on board. It's equally vital to ensure that your technicians, the folks who will be interacting with the system the most, are also on board. So how do we achieve this? Firstly, it's crucial to highlight the ease of use. Make sure your team understands exactly how a computerized maintenance management system will benefit them. For instance, it can streamline maintenance tasks by attaching procedure documents to work orders. Secondly, don't forget about the data tracking features. Accountability can sometimes be an issue in maintenance work, especially if someone performs an incorrect fix. Computerized maintenance management system software tracks this data, along with other useful things like previous solutions to problems. Thirdly, always keep your technicians in the loop. No one wants to use a system that they are told to use without any two-way communication. CMMS implementation depends on the people using the system, so always plan with them in mind. Fourthly, continuous training is key. If you push hard for computerized maintenance management system software but no one knows how to use it, the system is dead on arrival. Training is how you encourage adoption of a software. Train your technicians on how to use the system and retrain whenever new features arrive or people misuse the software. Fifthly, use a mobile-enabled system. No technician should have to leave the field to use a desktop. Using a computerized maintenance management system's mobile application allows technicians to perform their jobs effectively and is a great step towards technician buy-in. Next, remember to recognize solid efforts. Computerized maintenance management system software gives you great data on assets, but it also gives you great data on who your superstar technicians are. Track which technicians proactively fix equipment or solve most of your work orders, and recognize these efforts. Seventh, create a preventive maintenance plan with technician feedback. Trying to create a preventive maintenance program from scratch without technician feedback can have a negative effect on technician buy-in because the people performing maintenance feel like they have no input. It's important to involve your maintenance team in this planning process. They'll be the ones doing the work after all. Finally, foster a positive reception. When it comes to any new technology, it's the facility's job to create a positive reception to influence adoption. Use this as an opportunity to inform people on how their normal process is changing while highlighting the benefits to their job. Remember, successful computerized maintenance management system implementation is a team effort. By including your technicians in the process and addressing their needs and concerns, you're setting your team up for success. And that's a wrap. Thank you for watching this video. Today we've learned about the importance of getting everyone on board when implementing a computerized maintenance management system, the significance of user-friendly interfaces, data tracking, communication, continuous training, mobile accessibility, recognizing efforts, creating a preventive maintenance plan, and fostering a positive reception. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. To learn more about our tools and resources for maintenance and reliability teams, please visit our website at upkeep.com. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.